In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to activate two-factor authentication in Snapchat. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. You simply need to go to your profile, click on the gear icon on top of your profile. You need to identify the two-factor authentication, click on it, and then login verification. It will tell you all that. I'll hit continue. Text verification. I think I'll go with text verification. I'll wait for my verification. I'll copy. I'll need to skip. I don't need to generate any code. And then after you have text verified your number, you need to go to the Authenticator app. Remember, you cannot use the Authenticator app without using the text verification, okay? So I need to set up automatically because I have my Authenticator installed in my account. I'm using Google Authenticator, so I need to input it here. You can see a black screen, but don't worry. Google Authenticator doesn't allow screenshotting or screen recording. So my Snapchat code is 564 965. 564 965. So I need to continue. Now it's very much okay. You cannot use the authentication app without the text verification. I think that is clear. For more productivity tips and tutorials, follow us.